What? Went out a package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MajorSurplus and Survival. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. MajorSurplus and Survival. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, bottom of the box. We should be okay though. Okay, so two manifests here. I got a packing slip and an invoice. MajorSurplus and Survival. So I'm going to go with what's in order here. First one is Genuine GI Assault Pack, color OCP. So I do believe it's used. Let's see, let's just do a quick inspection. See a little bit of wear at the top. Top is intact. Looks like somebody's already gone ahead and helped with some taping of the excess strap length. So I'm not going to go bother with that. We got the quick release straps here. As you can see, let's see. What else? A little flap there. Let's see, does it have the insert? Just curious. Let's find the top or side zippers here. Okay, we got zipper pulls. I don't see anything missing, and we do have the solid flap. There's a plus right there. Okay, US mark there. Zipper looks good on this outer pocket. Hook and latch is fine on the inside. Hook and latch on this part's on the outside. So everything's pretty clean. You see the large drainage grommets at the bottom. All the buckles. Again, this is used, but pretty good shape. So even the little ID flap is fine. So again, Genuine GI Assault Pack, color OCP. Let's skip down the manifest. Right here is a US GI Modular Lightweight Assault Pack in ACU. So you can see here, this one is also used. Looks a little sun bleached too. It's kind of cool the way it has that effect between the different materials. Quick look at all the buckles. Looks fine. Top looks fine. And let's start checking some of these zippers. If I can find them on this side. We got the zipper pulls there. These straps, you notice, aren't taped. Inside looks fine. No flap on this one. No strengthening frame. So I might have to get something for that. Let's see, your drainage grommets. That's just some fluff. And we got the quick release straps on this one as well. Not sure that one does. So let's see. There we go. Let's see, ID flap area has a little bit of wear right there. So, used USGI Modular Lightweight Assault Pack ACU. But this one doesn't have that little frame insert. And this one is wrapped. Okay, this looks new. British DPM carry case, protective field pack, color British Woodland DPM. So disruptive pattern and buckles. Let me get these two out of the way so I get a little bit more room there. All right, I'm curious about what we got here. Zipper compartment. You can see how that opens out this way. Open face there, so possibly you could put a tablet or something in there. Looks like a shoulder strap with pad. Does the pad slide? I'm not sure. Yes, it's just a little stiff. Looks like some retention parts here for the other portion of the strap, which has this sewn together into a loop. Interesting. Anything else on here? Grab handle with the Velcro closure on it. On the back, carry case and some markings. Two large drainage grommets there. Two more at the bottom, actual bottom there. Looks like there's a small compartment here. Pull string on the zipper, which only zips the top portion. And now for this portion here, looks like two hook and latch kind of lock points there. And then main zippers, which continue down the bottom. Get into view there. Quickly, side compartments, some Molly style straps, kind of. Well, not really. These are just sewn on straps. Attachment points again. And let's see if we get this portion open. Okay, so let's look at the middle portion here. Mesh, looks like some sort of plastic backing there, so you can put some more equipment into here. Zipper there. Actually looks like a series of zippers, as you can see here. You don't normally see a triple setup, but this has a triple setup. And stops there. And here's the other starting point right there. So very interesting. Triple zipper setup. So depending on how you want to access that. This then flips open to this area. So you can probably deploy this sort of something like that maybe. Grab handle here. And then let's take a look at the last portion. This portion here is also a flap and kind of a stiff compartment here. Looks like a fold-out desk or windshield, light shield for glare possibly, that you can put overhead when you fold this all out. So a lot going on here. Also help keep weather off of whatever you're working on possibly as well. So a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Very interesting. I have to figure out how to put all these flaps back together. Like so. Something like that. Okay, so working our way backwards. British DPM carry case protective field pack. We also had USGI modular lightweight assault pack, ACU. And we started with genuine GI assault pack color OCP. And these all came from Major Surplus and Survival. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. You can see here U.S. and international type of items. So Major Surplus and Survival. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.